Hi! So, online business owners, this will be the third and final part of this three-part video series where I share some tips before you get or hire a virtual assistant. This is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So this channel is about the virtual assistant industry, and for those who want to become a virtual assistant and those online business owners who are looking for a virtual assistant, this channel is for you, so consider subscribing and hit that bell button for notifications. Feel free to browse this channel so that you can learn more about the virtual assistant industry. Now on with the topic. For business owners, you heard it said that always get some help if you think you don't have much time in running your business. But before you do that, let me recap a little about the first two video series that I shared, which I will include in the description below. Now, before you get help, make sure to watch the first two videos first so that you won't waste time and money. I'm here to help you be practical when it comes to your business. On the first part, I shared that you have to determine the current status of your business first and enlist all the tasks that you are doing. Now, the second part is about documenting the tasks that you want to outsource. Now, this third and final video series is about you as an online entrepreneur who needs help must be specific as much as possible when it comes to the tasks that you need help with. Again, why am I doing this? Because I want to make sure that you save time and money. Okay, you cannot just hire someone and not sure what they are going to help you with. That's a lot of time and money wasted, right? And being specific will get the best of both worlds. You as an online business owner will be able to save time and money because you are only paying for the specific results or tasks that you need help with. And as for the VAs, you are helping the VAs to get more opportunities and projects online, and you are saving their time as well. The more specific the tasks are, the more time you and the VA will be able to save because they will know what to expect and how much time they will need to consume, they will need to save on their calendar to do those tasks. How specific should you be when it comes to the task? From the last three videos, I shared three examples. So let's go with the first one, sending email newsletters. Now, how can you be specific on this area? You just need to determine how many email newsletters are you going to send. Is it once a week? So that will be approximately 4 emails per month. Are you the one doing the copy of the email, or you are going to hire a VA copywriter, email copywriter? On those email newsletters, how many words are you going to require? How many images should we include on those emails? What day and time should those emails be sent? Something like that. The more specific you are, the better. The second example, video editing. In video editing, how many videos do you need per week? Do you need a 10-minute video per week, or you need 5 3-minute videos every week? So that's how many videos per week. Then what type of video do you need? Provide an example that you want to emulate. For the third example, social media. What are the social media platforms that you want to use, that you prefer? Do you want Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, whatever? You need to determine and be specific of all the social media platforms that you need help with. And for example, what type of social media content? Is it just image, photos, or is it codes? Will you also include a video, a GIF? How about the copy? Who are going to write the copy? Are you letting the VA, the social media VA, do the copy as well? How many words per social media post should they compose? On each platform, how many posts do you need? For example, in Twitter, you need 5 tweets a day. In Instagram, you just only need one, or on Facebook. So you need to determine how many posts do you need per day and per week. Of course, you need to determine what time you would like to post it or schedule it. Are you going to use a third-party app, or you want the VA to manually post those contents? So here's the bonus tip. So you were able to determine your current status, and you were able to enlist all the tasks that you need to outsource and how much time you consume it. And then you were able to document all the tasks that you want to outsource. You were able to be specific as much as possible with the items that you need on each task. Now, where can you get a VA? To be honest with you, VAs are everywhere. I mean, possible VAs are everywhere. You can ask your friends to do it for you actually and just teach them. Since you already documented the task, it will be easier for them to do those tasks. Or you can use social media. There are Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn itself, you can find many VAs there with the specific tasks that you need help with. YouTube is an example as well. There are many platforms that you can use, and you can also use the freelancer sites such as Angel Call, Freelancer, Guru, Free App, Upwork, even Craigslist. There are so many ways to get VAs. Did you get some value today? Did you like this 3-part video series? I do hope so. And if you do, go ahead and like. Do not forget to subscribe and share this channel with those people who will be interested in the virtual assistant industry. Thank you for watching this 3-part mini video series, and I will see you again soon.